Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Jonathan Sewell Sales at Mitchell Mazda on the Boulevard in Enterprise. You see this beauty in the sun, deep crystal blue CX-90 Premium Plus. And we're gonna take a quick look because this one's sold and the owner is on the way. So let's jump in.
More garbage!
For the last several years, this color's been moving up my list of favorite Mazda colors, especially in the sun, this deep crystal blue mica. And of course, this is the Premium Plus. So you see it's got the sensors up front here. Also, as all CX-90s, the daytime running lights, LED right there in the grille, beautiful touch. And here's a look at that beautiful blue. I specifically wanted to show this because this one has the white leather interior. So this one is the standard inline 6 with the 21-inch wheels here. Ties in well to pop off of this darker color. With the inline 6, you get great horsepower, great fuel economy. And this Mazda loyal customer that ordered this one is coming from a CX-5 Grand Touring with GTP Grand Touring with the premium package. But look how this beautiful white interior just complements, all this styling complements the beautiful outside. And of course, this one has the big screen. Also, Premium Plus has your heated and ventilated seats there on that, as well as the full digital cluster here, panoramic roof. Captain's chairs back there in the second row are standard. Of course, you have on this model, you have 3 passengers available in the back. Also have your sunshades. But I'm just really falling in love with this design here and just how it ties in, especially light inside, dark outside. The first one, of course, on the artisan red, but these darker colors are just getting more and more beautiful. All-wheel drive is standard on all CX-90s, of course. Rear-wheel drive first, and then adds that all-wheel drive traction to the front as necessary. White leather is my favorite, even above the red leather on a carbon edition. And I can't wait till the 24 carbon turbo gets here in the CX-5 so I can compare that interior. But isn't this just beautiful? I know we talked about a deep crystal blue Miata with the white leather, and that grew into this rear wheel drive, enjoyable drive, an inline 6. So congratulations to our customer on waiting for this one, special ordering it. Here it is, the 2024 CX-90 Premium Plus inline 6. And I know he's gonna enjoy it more so than the CX-5, which is a big compliment. If you have any questions about this or any other CX-90, go ahead and drop them down below, and I will be happy to help you secure your desired perfect Mazda, because they're all beautiful. Mazdas